At Lake Conroe Discount Transmissions, we are honestly dedicated to providing you with superior, competent, and courteous service at a level that is unsurpassed in the industry. Unlike the local discount repair franchises or volume tire retailers, we are a family-owned and operated business. We service and repair all imported and domestic vehicles. Bring in your imported and domestic auto, SUV, or pickup today with complete confidence that your vehicle will be serviced or repaired correctly the first time. We have the staff, skills, training, and equipment necessary to perform all transmission repairs on your new or used vehicle. Schedule an appointment today. Lake Conroe Discount Transmissions, 936-647-3664.